Welcome to our mini washer showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Auertech portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. We'll explore their features, capacities, and how they stack up against each other for your laundry needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment or traveling, we've got you covered. Let's find out which mini washer wins. First up, let's talk about capacity. The Auertech portable washing machine boasts an impressive washing capacity of 18 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads, while the portable washing machine offers a more limited capacity of 16 liters, ideal for smaller, delicate items. This difference is crucial depending on your laundry needs. Next, we examine the level of automation. The Auertech is a semi-automatic machine, requiring manual filling and transferring of clothes, which can be a bit labor-intensive. In contrast, the portable washing machine is fully automatic, allowing for a more hands-off experience with preset cycles. This makes it more convenient for quick washes. Finally, let's discuss portability. The Auertech, while powerful, is bulkier and less portable, making it more suitable for fixed locations like apartments. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is designed for travel, collapsing down to a compact size that fits easily in a suitcase, perfect for those on the go. In conclusion, both the Auertech portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique strengths. If you need a high-capacity solution for regular laundry, the Auertech is your best bet. However, for those who prioritize portability and ease of use, the portable washing machine is the clear winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.